Hi guys, how to download Roblox on laptop or PC. Now open your web browser like Google Chrome and search for Roblox or go directly to roblox.com. Click the login button in the top right corner to sign in or create a new account if you don't already have one. Here's a quick heads up. If you're on a shared computer, uncheck the Remember Me box for extra security. Scroll through the homepage to find any game you would like to play, for example, a speedrun, and click on it. Here's a pro tip. Use the search bar at the top to find specific games faster. Click the green play button on the game page. Because you don't have Roblox installed yet, a prompt will appear. Click on Download Roblox to start downloading the installation file. This is the most important step, so don't skip it. Open your computer's file explorer, navigate to your Downloads folder, and double-click the Roblox Player Launcher installer file. Wait patiently while the installation finishes. This takes just a minute, so don't close any windows. Once installed, the Roblox app will open automatically. Click Sign In, enter your account username and password, and you can now browse and launch games directly from the application.